Hello, this is Mrs. Russo, going to tell you a little bit more about Chapter 2, Lesson 6, Multiply Using Expanded Form. So we're going to take a larger factors than we're used to. We're going to do 5 times 143. In the previous chapters, what we've done is we've taken an array, we've put 5 here, single-digit factor, and then we've divided up our array into 3 parts, where this would break down to be 100, this would be 40, and this would be 3. Then inside of certain parts, we do 5 times each fact. And then students would go through and find the product using, if it's a 5 times 100, they can box and underline. So 5 times 100 is 500. Box and underline. So I have 20 with an additional 0. And 5 times 3 is 15. Then they would go through and they would add these up. So some people like to stack it vertically to align place values. I'm not going to lie, I'm a big fan of that. So the final product is 715. Now we're trying to get them away from having to draw a rectangular array every single time. So we're going to take another single digit by multi-digit factors. So we're going to do the same thing we were doing before with the array, but instead we're going to draw and use parentheses. So I taught the kids to do 5 times, and now they have to give 213 in expanded form. That is something that we covered in the first chapter. So they did a great job telling me that 213 is 200, 10, and 3 in expanded form. Now we're going to take this, and instead of drawing boxes in our previous one, we're still going to do 4 times 200 plus 4 times 10 plus 4 times 3. And if you look on the previous page, that's essentially what we did inside here. But now we're kind of going without drawing that rectangular array. So now we go through and let me switch colors. We will still box and underline. 4 times 2 is 8, 800, plus 4 times 1 is 4 with a 0, so it's 40, and 4 times 3 is 12. Now, if they need to align all the place values, again, big fan, because we're going to get to other problems where it's not as easy to do that. So our final product is 852. So this is multiply using the expanded form because we expanded the larger number. So please let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thanks for watching.